Watch the full video please.
What's up? I know y'all been trying to order 2-6 King Wavy products like pomade, shampoos, moisturizers, and oils and stuff like that. Yeah, 2-6 King Wavy, he been selling out pretty quickly, so that's why I be telling y'all, man, use my discount code and try to get your hair care products ASAP. My discount code is Juice15. Use it to get 15% off and do it as fast as possible. You have to do it ASAP because you're gonna sell out like that. With that being said, man, go check out the website, man.
They know that I'm never lagging. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Hey, what's up? If you don't see me, I'm like in the middle. You see, I'm in the middle right here. But y'all, Wave Poppy, man. Lather King Poppy is putting y'all on game, alright? He just showed y'all how to wash your hair without even saying nothing. First, you wet your hair. Second, you make sure that you get a good lather in, alright? Put that shampoo in. Third, you brush right down there, that way. You brush that junk in with a detangling shower brush, okay? Next, or with a medium brush. Next, down here, you lay your hair down, feel me, with your palm. And then after that, you put the do-rag on, and then you rinse it out. And over here, when you unrag, y'all see the results. I mean, it's kind of confusing, but if you elite, you know what this means, alright? But if you're a beginner, I'm sorry. I don't think you understand what this means. You probably gonna have to just, watch a video to see what this means. But hey, man, I just explained it, so no excuses. Get the woo. We gotta wash in style. What we gonna do first? See, the first thing you need to do is you need to wet your hair like that. You feel me? Wet that junk. Don't be tapping your hair with a little bit of water. You gotta really wet it. You feel me? All right. Shampoo. Add that shampoo in there. Get that junk to lather. You feel me? You know that's the main part. That's the yo. How come the first swipe it just started lathering? What type of magic you doing, huh? I don't believe that. That's some magic junk right there. But yeah, rinse it out. Apply shampoo second time. Great lather, by the way. Great lather. Now get that brush and brush that junk in. Make sure it's a medium. Don't be using no hard brush. Take your scalp, mess your scalp up, and start bleeding and junk. You can't do that. I hope you show me the unrag, cause this junk almost over and out. Okay, you did decent. You need more work. Dang, that's how your waves look like last year. You just started or something. See, mad forks. No. Whoa. Oh, excuse me. You coming crazy, sir? What you do? Teach me. How you get your waves to look so silky? Even though you still got a little bit of forks, but yo, how you do that? Teach me. Giving bro waves. Big bro waves, cursor waves, part 2. Yo, why you ain't just keep the waves the first time, man? Come on, dude. It would have been smarter if you would have just kept it and started brushing. Your little bro don't gotta keep doing it. Great lather though, bro. Great lather, boy. That's how you lay the hair down, man. If y'all don't get no lather, your hair's not gonna lay down the way it's supposed to. I don't see the waves coming in though, man. I don't see the pattern. There you go. It's starting to come in now. My dude watching TikToks while his little bro doing all the work. That's nice. Wash it out. Dry it. Oh, I could see them waves through the do-rag, man. That's nice, man. Hey, man, tell your big bro, just keep the waves, man. Just keep them. Keep them. Get your hair wet and soapy. You should say get your hair wet and lathery. There you go. Decent lather. Decent. It's gone now. I'm about to get out this video because the lather gone now. Why am I watching this for? I don't care no more. Yo, watch this. I guess this is a new way to get waves. Alright, get your junks locked in. Like, when they mentioned wait, what? When they mentioned the suspect had braids, the heck you talking about? Oh, bro, that's why wavers, we do it best, man. What braids? What you talking about? I got waves. Yo, if y'all want to see what a 10 look like, this is what a 10 look like right here. No forks, great definition, great lay, great connections. All right, that's gonna lead to the guards. That's what a 10 look like. How beginner wavers think their waves should be looking 2 weeks in. Don't even think about it. In 2 weeks, you should be Fork City, Ripple City, barely any waves. Don't expect to look like this in 2 weeks. Why don't we just go to the barbershop? I mean, of course, this probably saves a lot of money, but this is very, creative. Like, that's tough. Yo, this dude Wolf, he wildin', man. Wolf wildin'. You over here looking like Pinocchio. That's who you look like, right? Pinocchio with the little.
It's alfalfa, you donut.
You see, that's why when people wolf, they get out of control. All right, that's not what you're supposed to be doing when you're wolfing. You're supposed to be breaking forks, doing washing styles, and learning how to lay your hair down. You feel you're not supposed to be doing stuff like that. I mean, yeah, you could get curls when you're wolfing, but ooh. Decent. Oh! Y'all seen what Lather could do? He shut me up all the way. I'm done. I don't got nothing to say no more. He did good. So you telling me my dude Wave Poppy got some dope waves? Lather King Poppy. He a Lather King. And now he a magician? He a magician. Cause ain't no way you could get your waves back like that. I'm ready. Let me see. I'm ready. Let's go. I'm ready. Hey, man, all you need to do is wolf and keep putting in that brushwork, man. You're on the right track. Keep it up. Hey, man, another rate. This dude right here, I give him a 9. I give him a 9. He got a fork right there by his ear. I don't know if y'all can see it. This dude right here in the middle, I give him a 9.5. He got a fork right next to his crown. This dude got an 8.5. He got a lot of. Shay Monet? I hope I said that right. Where have you been? Why is this a 10? Why don't I see a fork? Why is your hair so shiny? I have so many questions. Trying to get waves. You're gonna try to get waves. All right, detangle your hair. I mean, I would advise you to wet your hair. There you go. That's more like it. Why the shampoo dripping on your face like that, man? What you doing, man? All right. Great lather. I gotta give you that. Great lather. Why you combing your hair though? Then you detangle. Alright. Let's keep going. I hope you brush though, cause that's there you go. And that's what's really gonna give you that progress. That's what's really gonna lay your hair down, the brush and the lather. But you don't got no lather right now, so I don't know, man. I don't know. But hopefully it lays down perfectly, cause if you don't got that much lather, it ain't gonna lay down to your liking. Alright, it ain't gonna lay down to my liking neither. But let's see. Results. Man, good job. How to wash your waves. Comb your hair, okay? Wet your hair, good. Apply shampoo. Great lather, my boy, great lather. Brush that in, lay it down. With I wouldn't advise a plastic bag, but yeah, you could do that if you want to. Let it dry, and voila. Yo. Good job, my boy. Good job. Comment faire un washing style? You going too fast, bro. You going too fast. Utilisez une brosse de douche. Ensuite, mouillez la brosse et brossez avec une medium ou une hard. Ajoutez du shampooing à partir. Bro, you go. Oh, bruh. Come on, hey, y'all. I know Sir Cruz already reacted to this, but I had to say something. Who thinks of something like this? Yo, his name is Wolf, y'all. I don't know where he came from. He came out of nowhere. My boy Wolf then came out of nowhere taking on the what the oh heck nah. TikTok finna take this down. So yo, y'all better go follow Wolf right now. Cause he doing something. I don't know what he doing.
A 10. That's a solid 10.
I
That's a
see
10.
like 17 forks on his
I don't
head.
see no force.
Alright, so you said this pattern is a very difficult pattern, but Sir Cruz got 720s in about 4 or 5 months, and he don't got as many forks as this dude got on his head. So you give him a 10 and you say you don't see no forks. Hold up. I mean, if you can't see the forks, I'll help you out. There's a big one right here staring at you in the face. That's 1, right? That's 2, right? That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. I'm not even gonna count this one, but that looks like a fork. There's another one right here. That's all I could find, but it's like 8 forks. I just pointed it out. So if you can't see no forks, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. Yo, he had that do-rag for a long time, man. That joint ripped up. Can't wait to see this unrag. My dude double, triple compressed. It's finna be fire. Silk do-rag and everything, man. Oh, Jesus. Hold up. Yo. Rate the hurricane 1 to 10. You can't call your waves a hurricane. You know, I'll be the judge of that, man. I'll let you know if it's a hurricane or not. Just let me see, man. Just take that off, and I'll let you know if it's. Yo, I ain't know we was supposed to have no hurricane this week. You feel me? What we gonna call that? Hurricane Milani? That's. Hey man, y'all see how crazy my headline look right there? Y'all see how push? Yo, shout out to Clutcher, man. I just wanna say thank you to my barber for always having my back when I look crazy. You feel? Wait a minute, what type of do-rag is that? And what type of kit are you? Yo, I ain't even gonna say it's a kit. It look like a kit, but that might not be a kit. That's on the fire. What in the what the?